Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got something from Akihabara in Tokyo from Aniplex, which is two boxes from the Fate Grand Order Duel game. It's it's based on the I don't know if it's an anime or whatever, but there is in the arcade halls from Sega an arcade game where you can play as a character of the Fate series, and it's a bit like card based. So, for example, you uh, draw some cards and then you attack with these, and yeah, I don't know. It's difficult to explain. You should see it for yourself, like there. Um, well, this is basically the non-virtual way of playing that game. I'm gonna open. Let's see. I'm gonna start with this one. Yeah. All right. Doo-doo-doo. Yep. Well, it doesn't really matter. I mean, the boxes were already damaged while coming here in the suitcase. Well, it's the some cards here. I don't know what this is. All right, and we have we have this guy here. All right, the Berserker. Yep. What the hell is this? So. Alright, you can come out now. And that thing's like... Well, they're really tight to not get this whole thing damaged. Which is... I guess it's good. You have a stand for your figure. It's basically like... well, dual game which you can play with other people. And everybody, of course, has like, you know, their own character they prefer. How the hell? It's like this? I don't know. Maybe it's this. Well, I don't want to break it, of course, but... Well, it's not gonna fit in this side, so I'm gonna do it this way. I don't care if it's wrong. What probably is. And then... Well, that's strange. Well, normally you have something that you can, you know, like... put it on the... Wait. Well, it's got something from last year, you know, and you have a character, and you can... Well, there's all this stuff here to, you know, keep it in place. But somehow... Oh, god damn it. That's what happens when you only look at the camera and not at the real deal while doing this shit. Alright. I guess it's like this. Probably, no? This way? No, that can't be right. Ah, I see now. Alright. Yep, this is how I do it. Alright. Good. And these cards are there for attacking or whatever. I gotta read the rules. But it's basically like with the games, where you have like, what is your character that's displaying the, I don't know what this is for. Yeah, there's different attacks. I presume you can have like, alright. I guess you shuffle them in and then you're like, okay. We like poker. Oh my god, oh, it's like 1 a.m. in the midnight while doing this. Alright, let's move on with the next one before I fall asleep. This one is summer-based style. Okay. It reminds me a bit of the Senran Kagura series. Oh, this is nice. There's a whole booklet of all the things around. Alright, which one do we have? With the purple... Is it the pink? Okay, it's this one. Which is actually... Well, it's okay, I guess. Yeah, I think it was... Well, you know, there's always like that ones that you would like to have. Like, I was actually aiming for... Well, maybe this one, or this one, or this one, and I got this one. Like, yeah, fuck it. But for this, it was like... Well, I can be this one, this one, this one. This one is kind of okay, but well, okay, I got this one. It's okay. Good. It looks like a fucking super soaker, you know, the water gun. So this is cat style. Neko. Alright. Oh shit! Damn it. Alright. What's quite heavy? It's weird. You know, when I was getting this, I was just like, okay, this one feels heavier than the other, so I presumed it might be this one, you know, like, yeah. This looks so fucking weird. Don't know what to say. I've been watching some things from the Fates whatever series, not in any order, like, you know, like random first episodes when I got a free DVD of some sort of anime magazine. Well, I think I have to have a look how to put this one together. Don't want to break anything, of course. Seems like I got a stick in this. Seems like it's gonna be kind of alright. Oh shit. Almost. Like. And yeah. This is it. And now I need to know how to... Yeah. I guess this is... Wait. Does it fit? Well, it fits, kind of. Alright, this one probably goes here, I guess. Well, I hope so. Shit. Damn. Alright, I give up. Yeah. I'm too tired. But they also have these, like, these are the best, I think, I guess. This is the hand of the card. These are the ones I had so far, first series. I have this one, but I sold it because I didn't like it. The first series I was aiming for this one or well some other, but nope. I do have this one as a card from the game from the Sega arcade. Yeah, this one is a yep. Didn't get any third, fourth series. Well, yeah. All right. Goodbye.